Namaste friends. In today's session, we will discuss about RS configuration. Or you can also call it as absolute configuration, very important for the NEET and JEE in organic chemistry. So RS configuration, quickly we will see all those rules I am not going to explain. In short time, how we can arrive at the answer, that I am going to explain. Yes, here R means rectus, which means right. S means sinister, which means left. And one thing you remember, this is assigned only for chiral carbon. If there is a chiral carbon, then you can apply. 2D structure, if I write like this, is also called as Fisher projection formula. Vertical line and horizontal line like this, remember. So vertical line is always considered as away from observer, and horizontal line which is considered as towards observer. And 3D structure, we know that dotted line indicates away from observer and solid wedge indicates towards observer, and these two lines are on the plane. So in case of the tetrahedral structure. So quickly we will see what you have to do. If the question is given like this, they will give the option 2R, 3R, R configuration, S configuration, like that, how you can write the answer. Fine. Quickly you see, first you have to assign the priority according to atomic number. Assign the priority according to atomic number. Very, very important. So let me tell you with an example. See, first priority, highest atomic number, oxygen. So first priority. Second priority, CH3, and here also C is there. But next you have to see, if the same atom is attached as a first substituent, second substituent you see, after C, H is attached, but after C here, C2H5 means CS to CS3, correct? So after C, C is attached and H is also attached. So C is attached, hence remember second priority, and third priority, fourth priority. See here, first priority oxygen, second priority CH2OH. CH2OH means remember CHOH is attached. But CHO, remember, but CHO, if you see, C double bond OH is attached. Hence remember here 2 oxygen attached, here 1 oxygen attached, 2 hydrogens are least priority. So hence remember second priority is this, third priority is this, fourth priority is this. Like that. You can see here, in this case, first priority Cl, no doubt. Second priority CC. But here triple bond is there, double bond is there, single bond is there. Triple bond means you have to consider it as single bonded atom. Just like 3 carbon atom attached to here. So CC like that. So second priority is this, third priority is this, fourth priority is this. Now in this case, NS2 first priority, because carbon and nitrogen, NS2 atomic number is more. So first priority, second priority is this, third priority is this, fourth priority is this, like this. For this molecule, I will tell that later. Fine. Now, after assigning the priority, remember, according to atomic number, if lowest priority occupies vertical line, lowest priority means not first one, first is highest. Remember, lowest priority is fourth priority. If lowest priority occupies vertical position, then highest to lowest clockwise it is R, anti-clockwise it is S. Remember, very important point. So if lowest priority occupies vertical position, then highest to lowest is clockwise if it is R, anti-clockwise S. If lowest to priority occupies horizontal position, then highest to lowest priority, highest to lowest if you see clockwise if it is, then it is S. Anti-clockwise if it is R. Now you will see quickly. Now you can see lowest priority 4, it is in the vertical position. Correct? Vertical position it is there. Now you can see here 1, 2, 3. Leave this. 1, 2, 3 means which is the direction it is? Clockwise direction. So this hydrogen is in vertical position. Clockwise is what? R. Clockwise is R. So remember it is R configuration. Right? This is only one chiral carbon compound and hence it is R. Now here, lowest priority is 4. So fourth one is present in the horizontal position. If it is horizontal, remember highest to lowest clockwise, yes. Anti-clockwise, R. Remember this point. So now you can see in this particular case. So here, in this case, you can see 1, 2, 3 like this. 1, 2, 3 like this means it is anti-clockwise, right? Anti-clockwise means it is R. So hence the configuration for this is, remember, R, like this, quickly. So if you are not understood, go through the video once again. Fine. Here 1, 2, 3. See, fourth priority in the vertical position. So 1, 2, 3 anti-clockwise. So it is yes, right? Immediately you can write. So here hydrogen is away from observer, dotted line, away from observer. So 1, 2, 3 like this. 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3 means what? So in this particular case, clockwise direction, away from observer. Away from observer means vertical position. So hence our position is R. Remember, configuration is R. So quickly we will see this one. In such case, remember there are 2 chiral carbon. So here 2 chiral carbon, that is C2 and C3. Here also same, C2 and C3. Here also same, C2 and C3. Here also C2 and C3. So C2 equal to which one we will write? C3 equal to which one we will write? Right? So now, what you have to do is here, first priority is oxygen, no doubt. Second priority is CO, and here COOH, H you have to consider. Right? So here two oxygen atoms directly attached. Here one oxygen, one carbon attached. So second priority is this, third priority is this, fourth priority is this. Fourth priority group is present in the horizontal position. So it is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Right? So 1, 2, 3 means in this direction it is anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise horizontal position. So it is R. So it is C2R immediately. Right? So in this particular case, so first position, first vertical position, first this one, I will write it in red. So first priority, second priority is this, third priority this carbon, fourth priority hydrogen. Once again, fourth priority hydrogen present in the horizontal position. Hence remember the position, if you see 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 like this. 1, 2, 3 means it is also become R. Horizontal position, anti-clockwise R. Fine. Here you can see C2. What you will get in this particular case? So first priority, second priority, third priority, fourth priority, 1, 2, 3 like this. 1, 2, 3. So H is present in the horizontal position only. So it is R only. Correct? So in this particular case, it is R. Right. Now here, sorry, CL is there. CL is there. Priority is wrong here. Fine. Priority, I will write it here like this. First priority. Second priority is this. Because here see CL it is as oxygen is attached. So second priority is this. First priority, second priority this carbon, third priority is this, fourth priority is this. So 1, 2, 3 it is like this. 1, 2, 3 this direction. This direction means what? It is yes, remember. Yes, it is yes, not R. Now this mistake you will do in the exam. Please carefully you have to see that. Right? So what is the mistake you have done? So second priority you have written this one. I have written this one. That is my mistake. But second priority is this one because here CL is attached, here oxygen is attached. Which one is higher atomic number? CL. Hence you have to consider it as second priority. Third priority. So 1, 2, 3 like this, and clockwise horizontal position lowest priority. So it is yes. C3 you can say first priority is this. First priority is this. No doubt. Second priority is this one because CO and CH. Third priority is this carbon and fourth priority is this. Once again fourth priority horizontal and 1, 2, 3 will commit this side. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 means it is anti-clockwise direction. Correct? Anti-clockwise direction means R. So C3R it is. C3R. Correct? So fine. Now you will see this one. Now here you can see first priority oxygen. Second priority this. Third priority is this. So fourth priority is this. Fourth priority horizontal position. So hence you can say 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 like this. 1, 2, 3 means it is clockwise direction. So it is yes. C2 yes. Fine. So in this case first priority is this. First priority, second priority, third priority, fourth priority horizontal position. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 this direction. 1, 2, 3 this direction means remember it is also a clockwise direction. Clockwise direction it is yes. Right? This is also yes. Now here you can see. So here first priority, second priority, third priority is this one because CO, CC. Here COO, 2 oxygen. So now hydrogen is present away from observer only, which means our vertical position. So 1, 2, 3 like this. It is clockwise direction. Clockwise means it is R. Now first priority is this, second priority is this, third priority is this, fourth priority is this. Now 1, 2, 3 like this, anti-clockwise. So but here what you can see, hydrogen present on the horizontal position because away from observer, horizontal. So anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise means it is also R. So C3 is equal to R. C3 is also R. So like this, remember RS configuration. So like this you can solve so many questions. If you have any doubts in this particular case, you can comment. So I hope it is helpful within a short time, within 10 minutes. So you can, I can complete one particular concept which will help you for the exam. So I kept the name for this 10 minutes chemistry. So we'll learn chemistry in 10 minutes. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.